Yeah, well, late last year, our crew, our team here, Paruku Rangers, we captured a picture of the night parrot here in the Great Sandy Desert around our country here. And yeah, it was really exciting for us. And we just want to share now stuff that we've learned with the scientists and share with the other Indigenous Ranger groups that have come here today, this week, to learn stuff of us and just all come together and share. The last couple of days we've had our first on-country Kimberley night parrot workshop. We hosted it here in Mullan at Lake Paruku. So we all got together. Local school at Mullan here today. Come out to learn more about the night parrot as well. 7 ranger groups involved: Kimberley, KLC, WWF, and a few extra scientists as well. And we just all got together, sharing stories of our experiences with working on the night parrot, and just sharing ideas on how to manage and protect the bird in our areas of our IPAs and all around the country. So some people from Queensland, and a lot of people, couple of guests have come a really long way.
I think it's been a good one for us because it's our first program that we held out here with other ranger groups. So it was a good one for them to come out to our part of our IPA just to see where we're coming from, and just sharing it with them it's going to be a big honor for us. Yeah.
So now starts the long process. You just have to click through each frame and you're looking for little symbols like that. About 5 of them. Yeah, maybe, yep. Yeah, that's it. You're right. Now, can you see up in the top there's like a magnifying glass with a little plus symbol in it? You want to click on that about...
Probably be... I think it might be the other magnifying glass.
Could see sound comes into my recording. That's probably like a plane flying over or something like that. You might be able to see if you've got crickets.
Yeah, so if you ever come across sightings or sounds and you're on our IPA, please respect our, our rules and stuff. And if you do find it, just come let one of us rangers know. It'd be good so we can go and have a look there in that area where you may have seen it or heard it. One thing I'd like to also thank our elders for supporting us through this journey with the night parrot management and protecting the animal here on Paruku. Thank you.